Hey guys, how you doing today? Father and son coming to you, and I had this crazy idea. I had these two RC cars, $300 RC car, a Traxxas Bandit VXL versus a Tuptoel $30 RC car. So $300 versus $30 RC car. What do you think is going to happen, DJ?
300 one's gonna smoke it.
It's going to smoke it, he says.
Smoke it.
We kind of know that, but we're going to kind of show what a hobby car does against a toy car. It's just going to be fun to watch. We're going to do a tug of war. We're going to take our radar gun and clock their top speed, run the grass, run the pavement. Just see how different they are. Hope you enjoy.
Ooh.
What'd you get?
4 to 5.
That's crazy speed. That's stock gearing.
It's going up, dude.
Is it too small?
No, it's picked up baseballs.
Let's see how they jump.
Now the $30 car. Not too dramatic. Tug of war. 3, 2, 1, go. How do they do in the grass? Not so good. Okay, where the $30 car does beat the $300 cars driving indoors, because you cannot even try to drive that Traxxas in the house. So hey, at least it won one part of the competition. So the $30 car took quite a beating, but that car's not made for guys like us. It's made for kids like this. Do you like it, buddy? There you go.